Let's see how to reset iPad iCloud password if forgotten. In the first step, open Settings. Next, press on your profile at the top. Next, choose Password and Security. In the next step, select Change Password. Next, input your device unlock code. Later, proceed as guided on the display. In the next step, launch Mail or Messages app. Later, look for a confirmation code. Then insert the code where required. In the next step, enter a fresh password. After that, confirm by typing it once more. After that, press Change or Done. In the next step, log in using the new password. Next, verify access to iCloud features. Later, refresh login details in saved accounts. You are good to go.